Hello everyone, I'm Oz, Thai in the United States. Today I'm at work. I would like to let you follow me to see what I do when I work. I am a cleaning lady as part-time for Airbnb. Just only one person that I work for. And today a little bit tired walking upstairs on the third floor because I have to carry my stuff and a little bit panting every time I walk up here. I had pain on my shoulder back a little, but still love to do cleaning for houses, especially with this person at Airbnb here because he is a nice guy. So every time I will carry the bags like you see here for one trip first, and then I will take the dirty stuff downstairs to the basement where contain the equipment and other thing that I need to work, and will take the vacuum and the mop up here for the finished cleaning. Today the unit has a bit smell of cooking, so I open the window to let the smell away a little bit, and I would like to show you the outside, but I will not open the door because I don't want the insect or bugs get inside the unit. The weather today looks like rain is coming, but not. The cloud is gray. So I will start with walking around to check if any dirty dishes in the dishwasher. Today is good. The guests clear everything, and then a little bit stain on the cupboard, the drawer, and then check under the sink if I need to refill the stuff under here, the dish detergent, the paper towel, the trash bag, and then if the liquid here need to fill, I will fill, and also check every appliance. Can I say appliance? If they need to watch, and also on the shelf if messy. But as you see today, the guests leave everything in a good shape, so I just do regular cleaning, and this is what I just broke at home and found out like they are not cheap at all, the grass. And in the refrigerator I fill water 4 bottles, but today the need to because the guests didn't drink water at all. Maybe the guests bring water along. And also checking in the freezer if any food left in here. And this is the candy that we always leave on the bed for the guests. And check in the bedroom, everything gonna be changed. I will leave this cover for a couple times before change. And the closet, if messy, then I will do it nicely. And then the bathroom the towel, dirty towel, take away, check inside if I need to fill. And also the hand wash, the hand soap. Okay, normally I will fill if the level down to the bottom, and then check on the tissue and hair dryer. Some people stolen hair dryer and the can, the trash I will clear later, and then the towel, the toilet bowl. So you can see the guest was nice because the unit didn't look bad at all. And I will take everything on the floor and on the sofa, a little bit dust. And then the blanket here, nobody use it. Normally I will float if it look not good. Okay, let's start. And that's it. I finished my work today. Only one unit. This is what I do in my working routine. Every unit I check the same, but not every unit look good like this one today because some guests left me mess, and then I need to clear everything in time. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video and come back and see what I gonna tell and share to you guys. And this is the clean laundry. I spend a little time take them on the trail before go home. Bye.